didn't even know you went out to take anything from them. I was on site. Nobody told me anything. I went out to get waste pipes. I saw the plumber. Nobody told me.
I asked them to put it all on one invoice.
We're just gonna drag on again, and we're not renting, we're not making money, we are losing money. Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this short video, I'm going to talk about how to resolve issues with an investor and a builder that is in a sticky point. They're nearly falling apart. Actually, they have fallen apart. So I'm hoping to build a bit of peace among them so we can get the project done. If you really want to know how to manage builders and how to pay them effectively, even if you run out of money, this video is for you. Let's get to it. Come on, in some form of agreement where we will get him to allow us, get him to do what we need to do to remortgage right now. Okay, whatever extra nice snacks we can do. Do the landscaping, fence not included, fine. Okay, get him to do what he's supposed to do so that then, pardon?
He said he's not going to do it. He said he's already trimmed the trees.
No, but if it's including landscaping, we need to make sure the landscaping is done.
Yeah,
right?
That's why he has come back to say he's not going to do it. Maybe when we talk to him, we can talk about clearing the garden.
Okay, we're gonna see that. We're gonna see how we can talk to him about that, and then tell him about the honest truth and like just be like, look, Adam, I really want to pay you, but I haven't got the money right now, as I've said. Right, it's gone over and beyond time. It's gone over and beyond my budget. If I'd known, I would have taken the first stuff I had agreement with Bar Properties to Solutions. But I'm here now. I've run out of money. Get the job done, and then we can remortgage. We can pay. I'm happy to put that in writing and sign so that we both know where we are. If you want my solicitors to also aware about it, I'll get them to aware about it when I'm about to remortgage. So when they pay you, when I got my remortgage, they can pay you. Okay? So that we can get him to get our work done. If not, we're just gonna drag on again, and we're not renting, we're not making money, we are losing money. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Let me see if I can put him through the line.
How's it going?
I'm all right, my friend. So I'm just trying to. I've put on the call now. So let's work amicable here so that then we can try to sort whatever differences we have and get the project done. Currently, do we know how much work is outstanding? Like how far have we gone?
We'll be done end of today. The boys are up there snagging today.
Yeah.
The only thing I gotta do is send a plaster up there to do the side. Now the scaffold's down, he's just gonna do the pin.
Okay. Right, okay, so that's fine then. If you could send a video to just update so that then we all know where we are with that would be really, really good. So now let's talk about payment, right? I want us to kind of conclude and understand where everybody is, what's outstanding and what's not outstanding. So you're saying in terms of labor, right, how much is outstanding?
I'm not in the office, so I don't know. It's written down in the office. It's in there, but obviously I'm not there. But I put it to Adiola now.
Right. Okay. So Adiola,
it's about 11,700.
11,700 labor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about any outstanding invoices?
3,549.
3,549. Yes.
Within the three companies, yeah, 3 companies.
Within the 3 companies. So altogether it's 15,249.
Yeah.
Okay. So Adam, that's what she's got in her record. 15,249 pounds. Yeah, that's what she owes you. So obviously she hasn't got money, unfortunately, to pay you. Okay, and we're nearly there. We're literally done, as you've just said. So what I will suggest to both of us, all of us here, is to carry on whatever we need to do, complete it, right? Okay, Adiola, do you have a bridging loan, right?
Yes, I have a
Okay, fine. That's all I need to know right now, right? And when you finish the property, right, would you be doing a remortgage?
Yes, the mortgage agent, he saw him. He saw Aled. I was there.
Okay.
He had to put it back 2 weeks. I told him the guy had to put it back 2 weeks because the property was not ready.
Okay. So now we know we haven't got money, right? Are we able to kind of reassure Adam that once the job is completed, right, and we remortgage, we're gonna pay him his money back? If this is the amount Adam also have as outstanding.
Yeah, of course. I told him I'm going to pay him his money. I'm not running away. Those are the exact words I used. I said, I'm not running away. I'm going to pay you his money. I'm not going to run away with his money. I'm going to pay him.
Adam,
Yeah.
quick one here. Will that be okay with you? I know it's difficult, by the way.
Yeah, but
Right?
how long does all this take? I'm not.
Normally,
I'm not-
normally remortgage will take about 2 to 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, but obviously that's a long time for me to be for a lot of money. You've got to think, obviously, I've had to lay at home, I've had to pay my plumbers,
Yeah.
I've paid my electrician.
Mhm.
So all that 10 grand that's owed, it's not really owed to me, it's owed out to my subbies, do you get me? So it's a long time for me to wait.
So what we could do then, I don't think it will take 3 or 4 weeks anymore because I already started the process. She has an offer.
Process. The
Yeah.
guy came, he
She
was
has
going to
an
bring the driver,
Yeah, she
but
has
he
an
hasn't
offer.
come back.
She has an offer. All she now need to do is to value the property and then make the offer. So maybe you're looking about 2 weeks. Because she has already started all the legwork. She was there a couple of weeks ago to do the remortgage because the work has not been completed. So that's the reason why they could not do the remortgage. Because if that had been done by then, we should be completing by now.
If the work had been done by last week Friday, they would be on site. And when Alex met me there, I told you, we would have the money now.
Right.
We would have the money now.
But my main thing though is the suppliers. Obviously, as you know, yeah, it's on my credit. So I had a credit check because I tried to get a new van on lease. My
Yeah.
credit score dropped by I think 30 or 40 points. It's
You always pay them. I always pay them. As soon as you tell me.
you haven't paid calls for like 3 weeks. They're ringing me every day. You haven't paid, you haven't getting letters.
You didn't give me 3,800 there about. I paid 2,500. They have 1,300 left. It was just Thursday you told me about Total Plumbing. I didn't even know you went out to take anything from them. I was on site. Nobody told me anything. I went out to get waste pipes. I saw the plumber. Nobody told me. I was just dropped into 1,500. I woke up in the morning.
And I don't
was
explain
struggling.
this to you.
You didn't tell me. I didn't know.
When I was
Sorry?
plumbing, I asked them to put it all on one invoice.
But you didn't give me go on. And I thought that I paid them 1,790. I sent you that invoice. I said I've paid. And you said thank you.
I didn't know how much it was because the plumber
I didn't know as well. You just.
Okay, that's fine. I hear you then. Okay, I think it's more.
1,500. And I called the guy there. And I told him, I said, give me some time.
Okay, I think it's miscommunication here then. I think.
These big companies don't think, oh, it's only £1,000. It could be £10. They'll still send a debt collector after me. It doesn't matter how much it is and how much you pay.
Yeah, that's how companies are like. That I know. That's how
But
that I know.
the thing is, I wouldn't be bothered if it wasn't, but it's affecting my credit history now. Do you get me? Why I'm having the backlash of it. This is why I never ever let customers apply materials. Because it always bites me in the ass. Every time.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now, basically, right? We're gonna see how we can pay the creditors, your suppliers, if they're over your neck. So, Adiola, do you have any 3K lying around or stuff like that that we may be able to use to pay the creditors?
As I'm speaking to you,
Yeah.
I'm still asking people for money. I'm still hoping I'll get like 5 grand between today and Friday. So anything I get, I'll send across.
Okay.
Pay the creditors first, but definitely I'm working towards getting something.
Fantastic. So, Adam, then quick one there, Adam. Are we 100% sure we're gonna complete today or tomorrow?
We got to be done today. There's no reason why they shouldn't have done today. They
Okay.
arrived up there Friday. All they had to do was a massive clean up and snag it. Like I said, the only thing that will be left, which the boys will be there tomorrow to do, is obviously clean outside and render that last bit of the scaffolds down. But we couldn't have done it today because it hammered down.
Okay. All right. That's fine then. So, Adiola, would you be able to have a written statement, obviously signed, yes, and confirm to Adam that you will pay him whatever you owe him less the invoices we're gonna pay for when you remortgage your property?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Adam, would you be okay? I know it's not the best situation, right? That we were in. It's difficult. She has lost lots of time, and she also lost lots of money in that property. Only if she'd done it with the first person she had the agreement with. But we are here now. It's difficult, very, very hard. I'll kindly ask you to kind of accept that proposal so that we don't lose our money. At least then we get our money back. Is that okay?
Yeah, obviously, I'll have to wait. There's nothing I can do, but the sooner the better, because obviously I got overheads as well.
Fantastic. Okay, so it is a tough thing to swallow. So is it okay now, Adam, because I need you to get your money back? Is it okay for Adiola to now book the valuation?
Yeah, it's ready. The only thing that's not done that Adiola's asked is the extras, like the stairs going up to the garden.
That one we can do once we
fencing.
remortgage. But you know the landscaping, Adam, right?
Yeah.
Let's get that done, please. Okay?
Yeah, obviously, like I said to Adiola at the start, and I think you were there you were on the phone when I said, the garden was so overgrown, I couldn't quote to do anything in the garden until we cut it back. So I said, look, I'll quote to clear the garden and cut it down to ground level, and then I'll give you for whatever you want to do. But there was no, we couldn't see, I didn't see how big the garden was because it was just trees. So if you remember, Adiola, you bought gravel, and I've done the back garden. I graded it over the digger, we put membrane down, we put stick, then we gravelled it. The front garden, they've trimmed it all, they just got de-weed the path and that.
Okay, so if we can get it to tidy up, because what we don't want also, Adam, is for them to come for a silly thing like that. They go and downvalue the property, and then it becomes another problem.
So what I'll do then,
it's
up to you. You can either buy another skip or I'll put it all in one big pile, and we get a rubbish guy to come and collect whatever you guys think's best.
Okay, so what do you reckon, Adiola? So at least
you said you're going to clear the shed. You know the room at the back, the new room. You know that window is. From that window. That window is broken as well. You said you're going to change it.
They've changed it.
Okay, so from the view from that window is all grown up weed, and it's showing from the garden, and it's going to shrink that shed as well.
It's been done twice. Obviously, they'll do it again before the end of the job.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's get.
That's the main thing I need to know is: are you going to pay for the skip, or are you going to pay someone to collect the rubbish?
So which one do you prefer, Adiola? Which one would work out cheaper, Adam?
It's hard for me to say. I would probably say a rubbish man, but I don't want to be held against it. Like, I don't know.
Adiola, what do you prefer?
No, anyone. Is it a skip who take everything?
I'd say you get more in a rubbish man than you will a skip.
Yeah, the rubbish man would be cheaper, I think, personally. Let's get a rubbish man. Adam, don't get involved. Send the number. Get her and Adiola to talk about the price.
To be honest, I don't know any rubbish boys up that area anyway.
Okay, Adiola, I will send you a number. I do have rubbish guys in Neath.
So if my boys put it all in one big pile,
yeah.
So even if the value comes, you can see that it's ready to go.
Good. Okay, let's do it that way then. Please just keep it nice and tidy, Adam. So whoever walks in there would be happy to revalue the property. We get our money and we move on. Right? So Adiola, so Adam has given you the go ahead to book the valuation. But please, Adam, send a video first just to put her at ease and myself.
I'm going up there tomorrow, so I'll send one tomorrow when I get there.
Fantastic. Send that over. Then once we've seen that, then Adiola, you can book that appointment then, yes?
Okay, yeah, the carpet fitter as well. I paid him for the material.
Yeah.
He said he's going to come and fit it on Wednesday and finish by Friday.
Good. So it's good then for us to see whatever it is they've done tomorrow. That then will give you. That then will allow you to give your carpet fitter a thumbs up to go and sort out the carpet. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the guy you gave me.
Yeah, I know. Fine. It's fine. Let's just see how the property look like tomorrow. Yeah. So and obviously, if you could do me a favor also, if you could write that statement, right? But get Adam to confirm whatever is owed first, less the invoices, right? And then you can then put that amount on the statement.
Okay.
Right.
No problem.
Adam, do you have any question?
No.
Adiola, do you have any other question?
No.
Okay, thank you both very, very much. Let's keep the conversation going, okay?
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. This is how you resolve issues with builders and investors. Yeah, it's difficult to manage builders as well as sometimes investors are difficult to also look after as well. So I'm hopefully able to resolve this issue. Investor wanted to save more so she can remortgage to get money to pay the builder completely. Builder wanted the money straight away, but obviously I was able to go kind of talk to him to allow the remortgage process to go. So they've resolved the issue amicably. I don't know how to pronounce the word, but they've resolved the problem now. So yeah, this is how sometimes you can discuss. All about communication and conversation, so that everybody get to know where they are and we help each other go. If you like this video, any of my videos, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.